Good morning, everybody. We are going to try something new. You are going to do an independent note-taking lesson in Kahoot using a note sheet. In this lesson, we will look at the question, what is the structure of DNA? First, let's review. Last week, we looked at what DNA is and why it is important. DNA carries the instructions for our traits. To review, we have cells. Our cells have a nucleus. There are exceptions, but most of our cells have a nucleus. In the nucleus are 46 chromosomes. Humans have 46. They are organized into 23 pairs. Each chromosome is made up of DNA. A piece of DNA makes a gene, and genes give us our traits. For example, hair color. In this lesson, we are going to look at the structure of DNA. We are going to look at nucleotides. We are going to look at how nucleotides connect. This will help us in future lessons when we look at how DNA is read to make a trait. So let's get started. As you go through this Kahoot lesson, you will fill in this note sheet. You will fill in the blanks using the notes in the Kahoot. You will also answer questions in the Kahoot. Pay attention to where you label. Pay attention to where you will draw, label, and color. At the end of this lesson, you will use your notes to label and color this diagram of DNA. Yet again, review. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA. What is a double helix? DNA consists of two molecules. The two molecules connect to form a ladder. The ladder is then spiraled and creates this beautiful double helix. DNA is made up of nucleotides. What is a nucleotide? A nucleotide has three parts: a phosphate group, a pentose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Use this diagram to label the nucleotide in your notes. We have a phosphate, a pentose sugar, and a nitrogenous base. Next, draw the 4 nucleotides: adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanine. Make sure to use the correct colors when you color your nucleotides. You will use these colors in your final diagram. What is DNA's ladder structure? The phosphate and sugar form the sides of the DNA molecule. So here we have sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate, sugar, phosphate. The nitrogenous bases form the rungs of the ladder. So you would climb up the nitrogenous bases of your DNA molecule. This would be where your hands and your feet would go as you go up the ladder. This is very important. How do DNA molecules connect? There is a rule. It is called the base pair rule. Adenine, A, pairs with thymine, T. Thymine, T, pairs with adenine, A. Guanine, G, pairs with cytosine, C. Cytosine, C, pairs with guanine, G. Notice that they connect together like puzzle pieces. The way they connect is through hydrogen bonds. So these little circles are hydrogen bonds. Let's watch how 2 DNA molecules connect. Here we have 1 DNA molecule on the left, 1 DNA molecule on the right. They connect to form the DNA double helix. A goes with T, C goes with G, T goes with A, G goes with C. Now you can finish your notes by coloring and labeling the diagram at the bottom of your page. Have a wonderful rest of your day.